All right, this solution will be, or this particular video will be for number 13, and the same solution can be used for all of numbers 13 to 22. What we're being tested on here is a question that asks for a percent change or difference, a percent more than or less than. So we have to take the step of rewording that using the word of before we can set up our proportion and then cross multiply. On number 13, the question in particular is, what is 20% more than 36? What is 20% more than 36? Okay, so we'll carry down the x, we'll carry down the 36. The real issue in this problem is how do you reword 20% more than using the word of? And remember, we've discussed this, you add or subtract from 100 because everything is based on its original self, which is 100% of itself. So if it gains 20, it is now 120% of itself. Okay. If this had said less than, what would you do here? You would subtract from 100. Now we have our basic of formulation, so we can set these numbers directly into the proportion. Is over of equals percent over 100. Now we're ready to cross multiply and solve. Notice that if I had tried to plug these numbers into this proportion, it would be wrong because this number is supposed to be 120, not 20. So the difference between the more or less than and the of is significant. Significant. And boy, does the GRE test on that a lot. So we always remember when we see more than or less than, we must add or subtract from 100. So like I said, at this point we are ready to cross multiply. And we get 100x equals 4,320, and divide by 100, x 43.2. So you should be able to use this exact same solution to solve all of numbers 13 to 22.